Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Bing search engine. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply turn off safe search in your Bing search engine. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Bing search engine. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Bing search engine. Then after you open up your Bing search engine, let's say for instance we are searching for something on internet. So I can simply search for parrot images and hit on search. Then it's going to take me right here. Now here we have images based on the keyword right here. Now we want to filter out and make sure we turn off safe search on our Bing search so that we see all the results in this particular category of parrot images. So for us to do that, turn off the safe search, what we want to do is to come to the top right here. We'll click on these three dots and this is going to simply drop down just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to safe search right here, click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you switch from moderate to off and then come down below right here and make sure you click on save. Then turn off safe search require age verification. Certain websites contains explicit content that is considered unsuitable for your young user. By turning off safe search, you may get results that contain mature or explicit content. By clicking agree, you acknowledge that you are at least 18 years of age and at least the age of maturity where you are located. If you do not meet the age requirement or do not wish to proceed, click disagree. This will return you to the settings page where you can choose a different safe search setting. So what you need to do right here is to simply hit on agree. So once you click on agree, then you have fully turned off safe search result in your Bing search engine, and from there you can see all the results of whatever you are searching for in your Bing search engine. Is that simple? I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Bing search engine, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.